Welcome back to my channel where chemistry comes to life. Today we're going to reveal a secret that has been hidden from the world for decades. Do you know how toothpaste is made? Well, it's time to brush up on your knowledge, because we are about to dive into the fascinating world of toothpaste manufacturing. Get ready to learn all the ingredients that go into making this essential oral care product. Stick around to the end because we'll let you in on a little secret you won't find anywhere else. Something that has never been revealed before and could change everything you think about toothpaste forever. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a wild ride. By the end of this video, you'll be an expert on toothpaste and all its secrets. Let's get started. Toothpaste, a staple in our daily oral hygiene routine, is a viscous, semi-solid preparation designed primarily for cleaning teeth and promoting good oral health. Its composition includes abrasive agents, detergents, or surfactants, foaming agents, flavoring agents, coloring agents, and preservatives, among other ingredients. The manufacturing process involves several intricate steps aimed at creating a uniform and consistent product. The first step in the journey of toothpaste production is sourcing and combining the raw materials. These components are carefully selected to ensure they meet specific quality standards and contribute to the desired characteristics of the final product. Abrasive agents such as silica and calcium carbonate are used to remove plaque and surface stains from teeth without causing damage. Sodium fluoride is commonly added as the active ingredient that helps strengthen tooth enamel and prevent cavities. Surfactants like sodium lauryl sulfate or SLS are included to enhance the foaming action and help spread the toothpaste evenly across the teeth. Humectants like glycerin or sorbitol keep the toothpaste moist and prevent it from drying out. Thickeners such as carrageenan or xanthan gum give the toothpaste its desired viscosity and prevent it from being too runny. Flavoring agents like mint, cinnamon, or fruit extracts add a pleasant taste and help mask any unpleasantness from the other ingredients. Coloring agents contribute to the visual appeal of the toothpaste and help differentiate between different varieties. Preservatives such as methylchloroazotional or MCIT and methyldibromo-glutaronitrol or MVG prevent the growth of microorganisms and extend the shelf life of the product. Other optional ingredients include sodium, saccharin, or xylitol as sweeteners. Essential oils for additional flavor and whitening agents like hydrogen peroxide or baking soda for those who want a brighter smile. Once all the components are gathered, they undergo a pre-mix phase where they are combined in large vats or mixers according to the manufacturer's specifications. This step ensures that each batch of toothpaste starts with a uniform distribution of ingredients. The premix is then transferred to a main mixer where the final product is thoroughly combined and homogenized. During this process, air may be incorporated into the mixture, which contributes to the foaming action of the toothpaste. To remove any lumps or inconsistencies, the toothpaste is passed through a sieve or filter. This step ensures a smooth and creamy texture in the final product. After passing through the sieve, the toothpaste is ready for the next stage of the manufacturing process: packaging. Before packaging, the toothpaste undergoes several tests to ensure its quality, safety, and efficacy. These tests may include pH level checks, viscosity measurements, fluoride concentration, verification, probial testing, and stability studies, pH adjustment. The pH level of the toothpaste is adjusted to an appropriate range to ensure optimal performance and prevent any adverse effects on tooth enamel. Viscosity control. The viscosity of the toothpaste is measured to ensure it falls within the desired range for easy application and spreading on the teeth. Fluoride concentration verification. The concentration of fluoride in the toothpaste is verified to ensure it is within the recommended limits for cavity prevention. Microbial testing. The product undergoes microbial testing to ensure it is free from harmful bacteria and other microorganisms that could cause spoilage or infection. Stability studies. Stability studies are conducted to ensure the product remains stable over its shelf life and does not undergo any significant changes in quality or effectiveness. Once the toothpaste passes these quality control measures, it is ready for packaging. The packaging process typically involves filling the toothpaste into tubes or containers. The tubes are then sealed and labeled, ready to be distributed and sold to consumers. Some manufacturers may also opt for additional packaging methods such as placing multiple tubes into a box or creating multi-pack bundles. This step ensures that the toothpaste is protected during distribution and storage, and that it reaches consumers in pristine condition. Now that we've covered the basics of toothpaste manufacturing, it is time to take things up a notch and explore some lesser-known facts about this popular dental care product. Did you know that the consistency of toothpaste is actually quite important? Toothpaste needs to be thick enough to stay in the tube and not leak, but it also can't be so hard that it's difficult to squeeze out. That's why manufacturers use special ingredients called gelling agents to give toothpaste its unique texture. These agents form a gel-like substance that holds the toothpaste together, while still allowing it to flow easily from the tube. But did you know that the color of toothpaste isn't just for aesthetic purposes? In fact, the vibrant hues of many toothpastes are there to help disguise any stains or discoloration on your teeth. The darker shades of mint and cinnamon-flavored toothpastes help hide surface stains, making your teeth appear brighter. On the other hand, whiter toothpastes with flavors like bubblegum or orange can help maintain the whiteness of your smile. So the next time you reach for a tube of toothpaste, take a moment to appreciate the intricate science and engineering that goes into making this everyday product. From the texture to the color, every aspect of toothpaste is carefully crafted to provide you with the best possible oral care experience. Now let us move on to the next part of the video where we'll share a little secret about toothpaste manufacturing that has never been revealed before. Are you ready for a shocking revelation that could change everything you thought you knew about toothpaste? If you've ever wondered what happens to the leftover toothpaste in the tube after you finish brushing, we've got the answer for you. But don't expect it to be pretty. As the tube gets nearly empty, there will come a point where you can no longer press the toothpaste onto your toothbrush. At this point, most people would throw the tube away. But what if we told you there was still some precious cargo left inside? When you squeeze the last bit of toothpaste out of the tube, you might notice a small amount of residue left behind. But what happens to that residue? Well, here's the secret. Manufacturers purposely leave a small amount of toothpaste at the bottom of the tube to prevent it from drying out. This means that even when you think the tube is empty, there's still some moisture left inside. However, this doesn't mean you should keep using the tube in the hopes of getting a few more brushes out of it. The remaining toothpaste is essentially useless, and trying to squeeze it out will only end up leaving a mess on your bathroom sink. Instead, once you've finished all the usable toothpaste, it's best to dispose of the tube properly. Then you can buy a new one and start fresh. At Lipperhe, we love bringing you the most fascinating insights into the world of everyday items you wouldn't believe. If you've enjoyed learning the secret about what happens to the leftover toothpaste in the tube, then be sure to check out our other videos on everyday items you did not know or hiding secrets. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest revelations. Thank you for watching. Till next time, happy brushing.